Would you date a baby boomer?
Age doesn't matter. Age just a number.
Age is just a number. I love that one. The longest hair I've ever seen in my whole life. Can you please show us? Can you please give us a. Oh my god, guys, it's so pretty. Please be 100% honest. Okay? Please be 100% honest. What is the oldest man you would date? What's your name and age?
I am Rosemary, 19 years old.
Would you date a baby boomer?
Yes, of course.
That's very, open-minded of you. Okay. Do you feel, Rosemary, right? Do you feel, Rosemary, that many Filipinos will disapprove your relationship or you dating a baby boomer?
Yes,
Mhm.
because in our society, w- there's so much. I mean, there's a lot of people that is judgmental.
Do you know anyone who's in a relationship with a foreigner, like a baby boomer, like let's say 57 years old to 75 years old foreigner in a relationship with a young Filipina? Do you know anyone, like relatives, friends, or anyone from your neighborhood?
None.
Do you feel dating a baby boomer, the life here in the Philippines would not be hard anymore? And is that the reason why you said yes earlier?
One of the reason.
One of the reason why you said yes is that that's it, right? You would have a better life.
Aside of that, I can help my family to their financial for everyday life, and my siblings also.
So you will help your family financially. So that's one of the reason why. Do you think, okay, if you met someone, let's say a foreigner who is, let's say 60 years old, right? This is just an example. Okay, you met a foreigner who is 60 years old and then he asked you out on a date and you said yes. Do you think, let's say you said yes to him, like be in a relationship with him, do you think your relationship will last? Because you don't really love him. You're just after his wealth, or you're just after his money because you want to help your family. Do you think your relationship with him will last?
No,
Do you think is it okay to be with someone just to have a better life?
not.
So why do you prefer dating a baby boomer to help your family? Why? You can say it in Bicol or in Tagalog. But why do you prefer it? Are you just being practical or what?
Maybe kasi sa panahon po baga ngunyan.
She said maybe because of, what's like it's what do you call this? She said maybe because that's what's like going on right now. Okay, that's what she said. What's your name and age?
Marga, 21 years old po.
Marga and 21. That's a very beautiful name, Marga. Okay, and you are?
Matet, 22 years old.
Would you date a baby boomer?
No, no po.
Okay, I'm very curious now. Okay, so both of you, since you said no, um, please be 100% honest. Okay, please be 100% honest. What is the oldest man you would date?
24? 24.
24 to
25.
24.
23 to 25.
Oh, so just like your age, right? And how about you, Beth?
Probably 24 to 30 years old.
30 years old. Yeah, 30 is not that it's still good. Okay. How about if a 57 years old in a great shape and very handsome ask you out on a date? Okay, 57 years old. Would you say no?
Yes.
So still no. Okay. Even he is very like fit and handsome, you would say no?
Yes.
Okay, and how about you, Be?
No, definitely no.
Do you have anything to say to those Filipinas out there, your age, in a relationship with a baby boomer, do you have anything to say about them?
It's not wrong to be in a relationship to be with that older man, but for us, we have our own preferences about our dream guy. So that's all naman.
So you respect their choices, right?
Yes po.
Okay, how about you, Beb?
Same.
Same. Copy paste. Copy paste. Come here. You keep on. She keeps on moving. Oh, what is your name and age?
Pen po, 20 years old.
Pen, 20 years old. Wow. Would you date a baby boomer?
No.
No. Okay, well, we respect that, right? Everyone has their own preferences when it comes to, someone that they will love. Please give me or please be 100% honest, okay? What is the oldest man you would date?
um, Around 28 to 35 years.
28 to 35 years old. Okay. Pen, I'm very curious right now. Are you single or in a relationship?
I'm single.
Since how long?
Since birth.
How long have you been single? Since birth. Wow, 20 years old. Wow. That's very beautiful. Are your parents strict?
Yes.
Oh, really? Are you picky?
No.
Oh, you're not. Okay, so 28 to 35 years old. Filipino or foreigner?
It can be both Filipino or foreigner.
See. I'm so you know what? We saw her from far away and I was like, she's so pretty, like very Filipina. And all my life, okay, all my life, this is the first time that I've seen someone with this long hair. The longest hair I've ever seen in my whole life. Can you please show us? Can you please give us a Oh my god, guys, it's so pretty. Like, can you please hold on? Sorry. I'm wow, it's so beautiful. It's very beautiful, very beautiful. How long is this hair? Like,
I think 15 to 16 years. I don't.
15 to 16 years that you've been taking care of it.
I can count na po.
You can tell. Okay. Do you see yourself having a short hair like in the future?
No.
So you prefer a long hair. How about your mama? Does she have a long hair as well?
Also.
Oh, it runs in the family. What is your name and age?
My name is Aya and I'm 20 years old.
Are you still studying, Aya?
Yes po.
May we know what's your course?
Bachelor of Science Entrepreneurship po.
And what year are you now?
A second year po.
So this school year you will be third year college. That's very nice. Okay, Aya, here is my question for you. Would you date a baby boomer?
Yes.
That's very interesting. Very interesting, Aya. Okay. But do you feel many Filipinos will disapprove your relationship or you dating a baby boomer?
Here in the Philippines, there are people that who's against that kind of relationship with foreigner because of their opinions about the relationship. And for me, if I'm dating a foreigner and there are people who's against with what's going on between us, and for me their opinion is not important, because if you really love that person, just be real.
Just be real. Even he is like older than you, right?
Yes po.
Yes, okay. Okay, do you know anyone who is in a relationship with a baby boomer? Maybe like a friend or relatives or just, from your neighborhood?
I have a friend have she have a relationship with a foreigner, and the judgment in our barangay, and since she's my friend, I'm what I always advise for her is of syempre yung judgment, just always do what makes both of you happy because their opinions does not important.
Okay, it doesn't matter, right? Their opinions, people's opinions. I see. But you know what? I'm very proud of you. I'm very amazed because despite with the judgment, despite this, Filipinos judging Filipinas in a relationship with um let's say baby boomers, you still, you still like open with it. Like you would date someone who, let's say 57 years old to 75 years old. That's very brave of you to say that, to be, very honest, to be very honest right now. Okay. Do you feel, I am dating a baby boomer, life in the Philippines would not be so hard anymore? And is that the reason why you said yes?
I would never use him for having a good life, something like that. Because um if you love someone, like what I've said, be real, show to them that if you love them and saan po?
Don't use them, right?
Yes po.
For what they have. Okay. Let's say the baby boomer is a Filipino. A Filipino man who's age 57 years old up to, let's say, 75 years old. Would you still date him?
Yes, if I have feelings for him, yes, because age doesn't matter. Age just a number.
Age is just a number. I love that one. Anyway, thank you so much, Be. Thank you so much for having this interview. Salamat!
Thank you po.
Beautiful reflections